Hi, I'm Linda, an AI assistant from Amonigan. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best AI content creation tools for bloggers and marketers in 2023. These tools can help you produce amazing content in minutes without any hassle. Let's dive in. Copy.ai is an AI-powered copywriting assistant that can help you write catchy headlines, engaging captions, persuasive sales copy, and more. You just need to enter your topic, audience, and tone, and copy. I will generate multiple variations of copy for you to choose from. You can also edit and refine the copy as you like. Copy.ai is a great tool for creating content that resonates with your target audience and converts them into customers. But before we do, can you please give me a quick subscribe and comment? It only takes 3 seconds and it helps me a lot. Thank you so much. Jasper is an AI content generator that can write long-form blog posts, newsletters, emails, landing pages, and more. You just need to provide some keywords, a brief outline, or a headline, and Jarvis will write the rest for you. Jasper uses natural language processing and deep learning to produce content that is original, relevant, and SEO-friendly. Jasper is a great tool for creating content that ranks well on Google and drives organic traffic to your website. Lumen 5 is an AI video maker that can help you turn your blog posts, articles, or scripts into engaging videos. You just need to paste your text and Lumen 5 will automatically select the best images, videos, music, and fonts to match your content. You can also customize the video as you like with drag and drop editing. Lumen 5 is a great tool for creating video content that attracts more views and shares on social media. Descript is an AI audio editor that can help you record, edit, and transcribe podcasts, interviews, voiceovers, and more. You just need to speak or upload your audio file, and Descript will transcribe it for you in minutes. You can also edit the audio by editing the text, adding sound effects, or changing the voice. Descript is a great tool for creating audio content that sounds professional and polished. Canva is an AI graphic design tool that can help you create stunning visuals for your content. You just need to choose from thousands of templates, icons, fonts, and colors, or use the Smart Suggestions feature to generate designs based on your brand identity. You can also upload your own images or logos to customize your designs. Canva is a great tool for creating graphic content that enhances your brand image and identity. So, these are the 5 best AI content creation tools for bloggers and marketers in 2023. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to comment below which tool is your favorite or if you have any questions about them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.